Greetings YouTube viewers and welcome to another video on the Ian Bullock channel. It is Thursday the 28th of April 2022 today, and I just want to talk to you briefly about one of the problems that I've experienced with my Fiat 500L car, and which a lot of other owners have experienced judging by the amount of comments on the social media groups. And that is that however you configure the steering wheel settings and the seat when you're driving this car, for some reason this section of the steering wheel seems to obliterate most of the speedometer and it blocks your eye line. So the speedo, as you can see, is just through there. But when I sit in a comfortable driving position, driving along the road, really the area between 0 and about 100, 120 miles per hour is completely blocked by the steering wheel. So the way around this, particularly on this particular model, which is the 500L Lounge, is that you can opt for a digital speedometer. Now, I'm not sure that that's available on all of the cars in the 500L range, but it certainly is here. The problem is accessing it, and this car is a little bit fiddly in terms of the menus and buttons and settings and things. So I'll just show you how to access the digital speedometer. I'm just going to zoom in there to show you that there's an illuminated panel there that says Thursday the 28th of April. Now when you buy your car, you may find that that date option is the sort of default setting. So what you have to do is go over here and you'll see these three rather boring looking switches, which look as if there's something to do with altering the height of the headlights or something, but actually they control the display panel. So the first thing you want to do is press set, and if you look over here you'll find that this has gone on to some options: dimmer, speed, buzzer and first page. You then have to use these buttons, which are up and down buttons, to get yourself onto the page called first page. So I'm going to go down a couple of settings, and then I'm going to press the set button once again, which is that one. So what you have here then, this is it: speed miles per hour, speed kilometers per hour, or date. So you then want to use the up button to go onto speed miles per hour, and then back onto here and you press set again. Then you go back onto this menu and you use your down button to go through first page, buzzer volume, service, passenger bag, reset tyres and exit menu, and then you press set again, and there you have it. That is the magical digital speedometer. And that means that, if I just flash this back, that means that when you're driving along, you do actually have a view of the digital speedometer. So that's the answer, folks. Not sure whether that applies to all of the models in the range, but it certainly solves the problem in my particular car. So good luck with yours. Let me know in the comments below whether you managed to solve your problems. This is Ian Bullock in Norwich, Norfolk, United Kingdom, and it is Thursday the 28th of April 2022.